In today's video, we'll explore the strategies employed by some of the world's most successful billionaires, including Elon Musk, Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, Mark Cuban, and more. We'll delve into their stories and learn how they amassed significant wealth in a relatively short period. By understanding their approaches, we can draw inspiration and apply similar principles to our own financial journeys. So, get ready to discover the secrets behind their success and learn actionable steps that can help you become a millionaire by 2025. Let's dive right in and unlock the strategies that propel these individuals to incredible wealth. Number 1. Set clear goals. So, the first step towards becoming a millionaire by 2025 is to set clear financial goals. Take inspiration from someone like Elon Musk, the visionary founder of Tesla and SpaceX, who is known for his audacious goals and determination. Just like Elon, you too can dream big and set ambitious targets that push you to reach new heights. Start by defining your objectives in simple terms, like accumulating a net worth of $1 million by 2025. By having a clear vision and unwavering determination, you can use these goals as a guiding compass on your journey towards becoming a millionaire. Remember, it's about taking small steps every day and staying focused on your target. Number 2. Develop a savings plan. Now, let's talk about a crucial aspect of becoming a millionaire by 2025: developing a strong savings plan. Take a cue from the successful entrepreneur Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, who knows a thing or two about managing finances wisely. To get started, take a close look at your current expenses and figure out areas where you can cut back. It could be as simple as reducing unnecessary subscriptions or dining out less frequently. Next, create a budget that allows you to save a good chunk of your income each month. By following Bezos' example of being mindful with spending and making savings a priority, you'll be on your way to building your wealth steadily. Remember, every penny saved counts and brings you closer to your millionaire goal. Number 3. Invest wisely. Building wealth goes beyond saving. It involves investing wisely too. Let's draw inspiration from investment legends like Warren Buffett and Ray Dalio. Start by educating yourself about various investment options and studying successful strategies. It's crucial to understand the risks and potential rewards associated with each avenue. If needed, seek guidance from professionals or consider utilizing robo-advisors for informed decisions. Remember, investing intelligently can accelerate wealth accumulation and propel you toward your millionaire goal. Take the time to learn, strategize, and make prudent choices. By applying the wisdom of investment legends, you can navigate the complex world of finance with confidence and increase your chances of achieving financial success. Keep in mind, patience and a long-term perspective are key when it comes to investing. So, embrace the journey, stay informed, and let your money work for you. Number 4. Build multiple streams of income. Diversifying your income streams is a key strategy embraced by successful entrepreneurs like Mark Cuban, the renowned entrepreneur and Shark Tank investor. Take a page from his book and explore multiple sources of revenue. Begin by identifying your skills, passions, or unique knowledge that can be monetized. This could involve freelancing, taking up side hustles, or even starting your own business. By tapping into these opportunities, you can create additional streams of income that contribute to your financial growth. Remember, diversification not only increases your earning potential but also provides a safety net in case one income source faces challenges. So, get creative and open doors to various income avenues on your journey to becoming a millionaire. Number 5. Network and learn. Surrounding yourself with successful and like-minded individuals can have a tremendous impact on your journey to becoming a millionaire. Look to luminaries like Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft, and Mark Zuckerberg, the co-founder of Facebook, for inspiration. To follow in their footsteps, make an effort to attend industry events and join professional groups where you can connect with peers and potential mentors. Seek guidance from experienced individuals who can offer valuable insights and advice on your path to wealth. Additionally, continuously invest in learning and personal growth through books, podcasts, and online courses. Remember, the knowledge and support gained from a strong network can propel you towards achieving your financial goals. Number 6. Embrace a growth mindset. Finally, let's talk about the importance of adopting a growth mindset for long-term success. Take inspiration from self-made billionaires like Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx, and Larry Ellison, the co-founder of Oracle Corporation. Embrace qualities like perseverance, resilience, and a willingness to learn from failures. Be prepared for setbacks along your journey and view them as opportunities for personal growth. Remember, becoming a millionaire by 2025 demands dedication, discipline, and a positive mindset. Believe in yourself and your ability to overcome challenges. With the right mindset, you can navigate obstacles, learn from experiences, and stay motivated on your path to financial abundance. There you have it, a practical roadmap inspired by the strategies employed by influential billionaires like Elon Musk, Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, Mark Cuban, and others. To become a millionaire by 2025, start by setting clear and specific goals that align with your aspirations. Develop a savings plan that allows you to allocate a significant portion of your income toward building wealth. Invest wisely by educating yourself about different options and seeking expert advice when needed. Don't rely solely on one income source. Instead, explore opportunities to build multiple streams of income through side hustles or entrepreneurship. Surround yourself with successful individuals, attend industry events, and seek mentors who can guide you on your journey. Embrace a growth mindset that values perseverance, resilience, and learning from failures. Stay focused, work diligently, and have unwavering belief in your ability to achieve financial abundance. Remember, becoming a millionaire requires discipline, dedication, and a positive outlook. Best of luck on your path to financial success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Let us know in the comments below which billionaire's strategies you found most inspiring. Until next time, keep striving for greatness and building your path to wealth.